If you've ever run Google Ads for your dental practice and felt like your budget disappeared faster than a tube of toothpaste, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 biggest Google ad mistakes that dentists make, and more importantly, how to fix them. So your budget actually brings in new patients instead of vanishing into thin air. These are lessons that I've learned from managing dental Google ad accounts for over 10 years. So let's dive in. So the first mistake is not giving ample budget to test properly. Setting the right budgets is critical to your ads converting into patients. Not giving enough budget to a Google ad campaign is kind of like trying to water an entire garden with just a cup full of water. In fact, I recently audited a dental account which had one campaign running at $10 per day, and the cost per click was about $8, and they were hoping to get results. So lo and behold, it took weeks to gather any kind of data to even see what was working. Even then, the results were completely inconclusive. So make sure you set a realistic test budget. We recommend at least $1,000 to $1,500 over a 30-day period, but obviously that depends on the competitiveness, which affects the cost per click. But this gives the algorithm time to learn and gives you clarity on which keywords and ads are actually profitable. So testing with intention saves you money in the long run, and it actually makes your ad dollars work smarter and not just faster. So now that you are effectively managing budget, you need to ensure your ads are also shown in the right place, which leads me to mistake number 2, which is targeting too wide a location targeting. So it might feel like the smart thing to do to target a wide area. After all, more people, right? But if you're a dentist in, let's say, Scottsdale, you don't want to waste your money showing ads to people 20 or 50 miles away, then who are never going to drive into your dental practice. We audited a campaign for a local dentist recently who was targeting the entire metro area. The cost per lead dropped by 42% just by refining the radius targeting and excluding the low-performing zip codes. So start small. Start with a 5, maybe even 10-mile radius around your office, and then expand only if needed. Really, what you need to understand here is that your goal isn't to reach everyone, it's to reach the right people. So here's something that most people don't realize. The default setting in your location targeting is set to the first option here. This is the wrong setting. This setting will get your ads out of your desired location targeting. So you want to actually choose this second option here, which refines your ad to be showing to the right people. This is actually one of the 14 Google traps, or as I say, Google gotchas, that are embedded in the Google ad system, because as you can see here, it says recommended. There's 14 of these settings that you need to change, which are not obvious, which is why I call them Google gotchas. So I'm going to put a link in the description. Make sure you download this for free today so you don't fall for these money wasting traps. And the third mistake is not optimizing your campaign for mobile. Right now, we live in a mobile world, and the dental accounts that we manage, over 80% of the traffic is from mobile traffic. As you can see here, mobile phones accounted for over 80% of the impressions, clicks, and conversions. So too many dental practices don't have their ad accounts optimized for mobile, nor their website. So you might be wondering, how do I optimize for mobile? Easy. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you have the call extensions enabled in your ad account. This will mean that the call button is shown next to your ad, so people can simply click straight on that call button from the ad without even going to the website. The second thing you want to do is to connect your ad account to your Google business profile so that you can have an ad in the Google Maps. I'll put a link in the description. I have a video on how to do that as well, and that's a really important feature as well. And the third thing you can do is to ensure you have keywords which are focused on mobile. For example, dentist near me. The fourth thing you can also do is to ensure that your website is completely mobile responsive as well, so you can make sure that the mobile traffic experience for people is a really good one and they can easily book an appointment straight from your website. So there you have it. Those are the 3 classic mistakes that people make with their Google ads for dental practices. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe, and maybe check out our website, teachtraffic.com.